In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Reddit notifications. So there's two ways that you can do it. You can do it through your phone's app settings, or you can do it through the Reddit settings. So first of all, I'll show you how to do it through the phone settings. Open up your settings and then come into apps and scroll down to find Reddit and open it. You should see the notifications tab under privacy. Press on that and simply disable it. You can also do it through the app. So open Reddit, press on your profile icon in the top right and come down to settings, and then select account settings for your username at the very top, and then come down to contact settings and select manage notifications, and then from in here you can also turn them off. So you tap on it and select all off. So that's how to turn notifications off on Reddit. Thank you for watching.